Welcome to this video on how to create a quick organization chart in Excel from a list of data. So a nice simple tool if you've got a list of names within a team and you just want a visual organization chart. You can use SmartArt within Excel to do that. So just look to the top left, I have a list of names, everyone who's in the team that I want to create a chart for. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and click on there and I'm going to take a copy of that information. Now what I want to do once I've done that is I want to go to the Insert tab because I want to insert some SmartArt. Now I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC, then you might have a slightly different ribbon at the top. But what I need to do is when I go into Insert, in Illustrations, I've got SmartArt. And if I click on the arrow there, you can see I can see all the different types of SmartArt that are available. And I want an org chart, so I want a hierarchy. And then I can see a very quick snapshot of all the different look and feels that I can use. And I'm just going to select the first one to show you the example. Now when I do, you can see there it's not pulled anything into it. And if I can click this arrow on the left, you can see there's no data. So what I want to do is I just want to get rid of all of that information, and then I'm just going to paste what I copied earlier in there. And you can see that all those names are there. So all I need to do now is click on each of these and use the tab to move them across and down. I'm going to move Eva across too, so she works for Chris Taylor. I'm going to move Grace across, and then all these three below work for Grace. I'm going to move them twice. And there you can see I can play around with that, I can move people around, and it'll just create a really nice, simple org chart for me. So it's not really pretty at the moment, but if you look on the ribbon, it's changed to SmartArt Design, and you can obviously change the colour, you can change the style of it to any of the other options now that you've put that information in there. But this is a really quick way of just pulling off a list of data and getting an organisation chart or a hierarchy from that really quickly. And obviously I can just close that down, and I can, if I click back on it, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can do whatever I need to do. And if I go into the ribbon and SmartArt Design, that's where I can go and change my colours. And I can also change styles and stuff like that. I can make it 3D if I need to and add any other bits of information in there as well. So one to have a quick go at if you're pulling together organisation charts or hierarchies. It's really useful. You can do that straight in Excel. And then obviously I can just copy this and paste this into PowerPoint or anything else I want to do to have that information in a different document. So please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.